Stevens is great. They've got a truck. It's called an AOG, Aircraft on the Ground. So if there's an aircraft stuck on the ground anywhere in this area, they send the truck out to make sure that airplane is fixed. My airplane on the ground does me no good whatsoever. So if I've got a mechanical problem that has me stuck on the ground, that's it for me. I need someone who's going to get to that airplane, get it fixed, get me back up in the air ASAP. That's one thing that Stevens really specializes in. If you bring your airplane in, they are all about getting the airplane done properly and in a timely manner. They understand that it's your airplane. We're not like the airlines where we've got a spare that we can, bring in to take the family on the trip. So they're all about getting it done promptly.